In this video, I'll show you how to become a seller on SHEIN Marketplace. First, open your web browser and go to the official SHEIN Marketplace seller registration page. Click Apply Now or Become a Seller to start your application. Now, create a seller account or sign in with an existing account if prompted. Enter your business information, including your business name, contact details, and any other required information. Next, provide the documents requested by SHEIN. Depending on your country, this may include a government-issued ID, business registration documents, tax information, and bank account details for receiving payments. After that, review your application carefully and submit it for approval. SHEIN will review your information, and the approval process may take several business days. Now, once your application is approved, sign into the Seller Center. Complete your store profile, set up your shipping and return preferences, and add your payment information. Finally, create your product listings by uploading clear photos, writing accurate descriptions, setting your prices, and publishing your products. Once your listings are live, customers will be able to find and purchase your items through the SHEIN Marketplace. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to become a seller on SHEIN Marketplace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.